Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another day with another unboxing. And since 98.5% of you viewers are new viewers, I'm not exaggerating at all, I want to say hello, welcome to my channel. I do all sort of unboxing and reviews. I would like to say mostly sneakers, but it's not. So if you like, please subscribe, hit that thumbs button. I love it when you comment, and hit that bell button so you see my videos. The next couple of videos is going to be probably from Supreme Autumn Winter Week 1. But today we have a pair of sneakers that I was sort of disappointed at first. They look kind of small. Let's see if it's the right size. Yeah, it's the right size. So this year we have had a bunch of, not a bunch of, a couple of Air Jordan 5. Oh, the leather is soft. Nice. And I was super disappointed at the top 3. These I was sort of disappointed at because I think they could be more colorful. I don't have the gray ones, the Bel-Air gray ones that came a couple of years ago. I don't remember why I did not buy them. Maybe I couldn't. And I've been thinking of getting them a couple of times, but they go up in value all the time and I don't want to pay resale. So these are not the alternate Bel-Air actually. Nike decided to call them Ghost Green, and I think that was a last minute decision actually, because I've noticed a couple of times that Nike, Jordan brand, doesn't like when the sneakerheads make up their own nicknames for the shoes. So they decided to call them Ghost Green because of this color. I don't mind that. That's okay. But alternate Bel-Air is what we are going to call them. And you might think that these are plenty colorful, but for me it's a white shoe more or less, and I have a bunch of white Air Jordan 5 that are white with some small items that are not. So we have the interior. That's the most colorful part. That is really cool, but you are not going to see that when I have the shoes on me. We have a very colorful, very nice green, ghost green sole. You will not see that when I have the shoes on me. So then we have the purple sole that I think comes straight from the Bel-Air, the gray Bel-Air. I think it's exactly the same, where we had purple with green stains and sort of red with green stains. I'm a bit colorblind, but yeah. We have some issues, quality issues here actually, with the paint, but I'm so used to that, so that's okay. On the heel, you have seen a bunch of videos of these. What you want to see, what I want to see, is how they look with the ghost green laces, because the ghost green laces were the only thing that made me decide to get them. Because as I said, I was sort of disappointed on them. They are colorful, but that's nothing that show. We have different color Jumpman on the tongue and on the heel. That's nothing that shows. We have the same color lace locks, could be different color. We have Nike on the lace lock and Jordan brand, Jordan Jumpman on the, either way. So they are colorful for some people, but to me they're a bit boring. Then just like 2 days before the release, I saw that they came with the ghost green laces, and I think that the gray Bel-Air also came with these ghost green, this color of ghost green laces. I think so. So why I bought them is because I want to see how cool they can look with the green laces. And that's more or less why I do this video, because there are tons of videos out there. The leather is soft. The leather is actually nice. So maybe I'm gonna do a review anyway. The leather is absolutely softer than your standard Air Jordan 5. Nothing super special, and for the price that we pay in Sweden, that is roughly $220, which is $30 more than you in US. That's a lot of money, and the leather is okay. Nothing spectacular, but for Air Jordan 5, they're pretty nice. I think even better than the Fire Red. But to the point, what you want to see and what I want to see is how they will look with the ghost green laces on. I haven't seen it yet. Maybe you have. I don't. I haven't Googled it. So that's what I'm going to show you, how they look with the ghost green laces. And that's going to take a while, so I'll be right back. Yeah, I took a McDonald's break in between as well. So here we have them. And it did a difference, of course it did, but not big enough, I think. I like them better this way, but I would like to have them, yeah, more colorful. That's it. The laces could be more volt, more, yeah, volt. I really like volt, so something really glowing. The ghost green sole looks okay, and yes, the laces match, but still something more colorful. I mean, say that you have any other whites. If you have the grapes, for example, if you have the grapes, I don't see any reason why you should buy these. These are white and purple, just colorful enough. This isn't anything special actually. The first Bel-Air pair, the gray suede, those are cool. This is nothing special, but if you don't have any white fives, if you are a collector, get them. The leather is soft, the leather is nice. I'm gonna put them on feet as well. They don't feel as clumsy as some of the fives. For some reason they feel kind of narrow, very narrow actually, so I hope to fit. When I first got them off the box, I thought it was the wrong size, but I have to check again. No size tag, but yeah, they're the right size. I'm gonna show you the flaws as well. So if you get yourself a pair for resale, I don't know what these go for as resale, maybe 300. So there is a little bit margin on for resale. I don't care about that. But if you buy them resale and they are not perfect, don't be too concerned, because look here. On both toe box, you see they have painted them afterwards. Same here, here. So probably there have been some issues and they have put some paint on them afterwards. I'm pretty sure there was some here. Yeah, here as well, the whole thing here. This is actually something that I should complain to Nike about, because this shouldn't be. This bothers me now actually. So you put the light away. This actually bothers me. If they still have them in stock, I'm gonna send a mail to Nike. So if they still have them in stock, I'm gonna tell them that I want a new pair. Because this is too much. I just noticed the small part, but this is too much flaw to be okay for a price here in Sweden, 2,100 kronors, and that's at least $210. I think it's $225 or something. So too much flaw. But now you have seen them with the green laces, the ghost green laces. They look better, but still nothing special. So now on foot. They are true to size, fit me perfect. I'm a US 12, they fit me perfect. They are softer than your standard Air Jordan 5. That's because of the leather. So they are more comfortable, softer than the Air Jordan 5 usually are. But I'm not sure what I'm gonna do about the flaws, the painting, because they are sold out. Maybe that's just a scam. Maybe they are still in stock at night, but they did sold out on the site. And if they can't offer me a new pair, I'm probably gonna keep them. But that painting is just that's just too much flaw. These should never have been sold for full price. But pretty okay, cool looking shoe. I see them mostly as a white Air Jordan 5. They're very similar to the grape. As I said, the interior you won't even see. Yeah, what do you think? Did you get them? Did you put the green laces on? Did you keep the black laces on? Maybe you put white laces on them. What do you think about them, and what do you think I should do? Should I return them and maybe not get a new pair since they are sold out? So thanks for watching. It ended up being a long video as usual. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, hit the thumbs button, comment. Should I keep them? Should I return them? Green laces or black laces? What do you guys think? Thanks.